Welcome to Codebooks Academy, where learning meets innovation. Dive into the world of software development and accounting with tutorials that bring subjects to life. Whether you're a budding developer, an aspiring leader, or a finance enthusiast, our tutorials are crafted to enlighten, empower, and entertain. With Codebooks Academy, you're not just learning, you're embarking on a journey of discover. Let's get started. Deciding on the database, the next significant decision is choosing a programming language. Java is a strong contender, known for its robust ecosystem, performance, and security features. Not to mention, it has long-standing popularity and a massive community, which means ample resources and troubleshooting support. C#.NET is a strong choice for Windows-based environments. It's efficient, robust, and tightly integrated with Windows, making it an excellent choice for software that will primarily run on Windows servers. Python, on the other hand, is often chosen for its rapid development capabilities. It allows for quicker prototyping and is known for its simplicity and readability. Go is another language known for its simplicity and efficiency in handling concurrent processes. It's a modern language built with simplicity and performance in mind. Node.js, a JavaScript runtime, is suitable for building scalable and performant backend services. Notably, it's single-threaded, event-driven, and non-blocking.
Continuous Learning. Codebooks Academy. Thank you for watching.